Now this is my armory. There is a all ACM guns. As you can see, there are the handguns, Magnum, Omega, MP5, Colt 45mm weapons, Glock, PC-75, Sterog, HKs, M4A1, shotgun, Scorpion, Ingram, and the two guns I lost, Little Wesson and 9mm Beretta. System of customizable gun. I have Tomb Raider type. Okay. Now the only thing missing